Hello friends, this is Hook Setting Adventures, Fishing with Puddin'. Well, here it is Monday. Yesterday was a great day of catching, and I told you I was going to head to the beach, and that's what I'm going to do. When I walked out today, it's raining, but I looked on the AccuWeather, and I think that I may be able to judge it just right, so that the rain stops at the place on the beach where I plan on going at about when high tide hits. So we'll see what we can get into. You know, if it doesn't stop raining, I'll be at the beach anyway. Get in the water, I'll be wet, so we can see if the fish mind that it's raining. I think the barometric pressure is still pretty high. I'm not sure how that affects saltwater fish, but hey, it's something to do with one of my days off. So hey everybody, let's go fishing. There we go. Fish on. Well, there was one on there. I think it slipped off. No, maybe. We'll see. We got something on there. I caught a fish. Look at that. Now I can say that it wasn't a total bust today. Okay friends, I'm going to go ahead and surrender for the day. Started out up there in Myrtle Beach surf fishing and didn't do good at all. As a matter of fact, it was really heartbreaking when I turned around and saw that my brand new sand spike had come undone and floated away. But it was something of an adventure when that storm rolled in, and it really came up on me fast. I wasn't expecting it at all. It happened almost as fast as the sand spike disappearing. So then I headed down here to Merrill's Inlet and came down to the pier. It's not too bad. I really didn't like paying $10 to be able to fish on it. And everybody and their brothers up there, it's funny how they get right under you when you're trying to cast or do something. But hey, they're tourists and they don't know any better. But there was a lot of effort today and a little bit of do-re-mi to catch that one fish. It at least put up a good fight. I was kind of disappointed in that too, in that it happened on the Pisces Fun bait caster, which I was hoping to put a little action on these brand new surf rods. But anyway, it was all in all a decent day. It was real nice when it wasn't raining. As you can see, I got a little bit of sun, and that's even after having the sunblock on. So for those of you that have subscribed, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you've not subscribed, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and come on back for more. Tell your friends about it, and let them come and check it out too. So I hope you've had a good time watching me catch this one fish. So this is Hook Setting Adventures, Fishing with Puddin'.